A gong for keeping time, bangles, a one eyed giant. These are the different images of the red eyed giant. It is in mythology. A watchman with a lantern in hand. Vocation. When the gong sounds 10 in the morning and I walk to school by our lane, every day I meet the hawker crying, bangles, crystal bangles. There is nothing to hurry him on. There is road, there is no road he must take, no place he must go to, no time when he must come home. I wish I were a hawker, spending my day in the road crying, bangles, crystal bangles. When at 4 in the afternoon I come back from the school, I can see through the gate that house the gardener digging the ground. He does what he likes with his spade. He soils his clothes with dust. Nobody takes him to task. If he gets baked in the sun or gets wet, I wish I were a gardener, digging away at the garden with nobody to stop him from digging. Just as it gets dark in the evening and my mother sends me to bed, I can see through my open window the watchman walking up and down. The lane is dark and lonely, and the street lamp stands like a giant with one red eye in its head. The watchman swings his lantern and walks with his shadow at his side, and never once goes to bed in his life. I were a watchman, walking the street all night, chasing the shadows with my lantern. Vocation is something which you do for your earning. You earn something by doing that. Maybe a job or a business or trading. So that is vocation. Now it is about a child, the reaction of the child when he sees the different people in his life. As a student, he feels that he has to do everything in time, and somebody scolds him when if he is not completing the task, if he is not doing what he is supposed to do. He has to go to school in time. He cannot be late to the school, otherwise the teacher will punish him. He has to do all his work. Every time he gets scolding if he doesn't do anything. He has to reach home in time. Now let us see what he feels like. The child is expressing, when the gong sounds 10 in the morning and I walk to school by our lane. So, uh, earlier days there were gongs, the metal gongs, and there was a man keeping the time. So, whenever it was a particular hour, like 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, so he has to um, hit the gong with a hammer for 10 times if it is 10 o'clock in the morning. So when the gong sounds 10 in the morning, I walk to school by our lane. So the child has to go to the school by his lane as soon as the gong goes 10. Every day I meet the hawker crying bangles, crystal bangles. So on his way to school, he sees a hawker, and the hawker is selling bangles. The hawker doesn't have to go to a particular place. Now the child has to go to a particular school, that is a particular place. He cannot go anywhere else at 10 o'clock. But the hawker, the man selling the bangles, he can go anywhere he likes at 10 o'clock. Nobody is there to ask him why he doesn't come to a particular place. There's nothing to hurry him on. So there's no hurry at all. He can go anytime he likes. There's no road he must take. So there are different roads. I have to go. The child thinks that he has to go by a particular road only to the school at 10 o'clock. But the hawker selling the bangles, he doesn't have any particular road to take. No place he must go to. The child has to go to school. That is the place he has to go. But the man selling the bangles, the bangle hawker, he doesn't have to go to any particular place. No time when he must come home. The child, as soon as the school is over, like 10 o'clock in, like 4 o'clock in the evening, he has to come back home immediately. But there's no one to ask the hawker, bangle hawker. He can go home anytime he likes. I wish I were a hawker. So the child wishes that he should become a hawker. Spending my day in the road. So what the child likes to do? He likes to cry. Bangles, crystal bangles. Cry means shout loudly. Bangles, crystal bangles. That we have to do in order to catch the attention of the ladies over there who require bangles. When at 4 in the afternoon I come back from the school, so the child has to come back from the school and he can still hear the hawker selling the bangles. So after coming back from the school, the child says, I can see through the gate that house the gardener digging the ground. So the gate is in front of the house, and through that gate the child can see the gardener digging the ground. Digging. So he does what he likes with his spade. The gardener can dig as much as he wants. He soils his clothes with dust. While digging, the gardener, his clothes become dirty with dust. Nobody takes him to task. Nobody scolds him. Takes him to task means there's no one to scold him. If he gets baked in the sun or gets wet. So if I get baked in the sun, my mother will scold me. My mother will take me to task. That's what the child is feeling. Or even if the child gets wet, his mother is going to ask him why did he get wet. I wish I were a gardener digging away at the garden with nobody to stop me from digging. So nobody tells the gardener to stop from digging. So that the gardener is enjoying freedom to do whatever he likes. The child also wishes that he should also enjoy the same kind of freedom. Nobody should ask him if he starts digging the ground. Nobody should ask him. That's what are the feelings of the child. Just as it gets dark in the evening and my mother sends me to bed. So as soon as it is evening, the mother, she will call me and send me to bed. That's what the child has to do. His mother will call him and send him to bed. So he has to sleep. I can see through my open window the watchman walking up and down. So through the open window he can see the watchman walking up and down. The lane is dark and lonely. The lane or the road is dark and lonely. Lonely means no one is there except for the watchman. And the street lamp stands like a giant with one red eye in its head. The street lamp, it is standing like a giant with one red eye in its head. The watchman swings his lantern and walks with his shadow at his side. The watchman can swing his lantern. In one hand, he holds the lantern. In earlier days, when this poem was written, there were no street lights, and the watchman had to carry a lantern, oil lantern, by his side. And so he, with one hand holding the lantern, it used to swing slightly, and the watchman had to walk on the lonely street. And he never used to go to bed in his life during the night. So the child wishes that he should become a watchman, walking the street all night, chasing the shadows with my lantern. So the shadow is always there because the watchman is carrying a lantern along with him. So his shadow will always follow the watchman. So the child wants to be like a watchman walking the street all night long.